Hi, welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. I'm Geoff Phillips, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to install an extension to Inkscape, a simple little one that allows you to get a mirror image in any line, not just the vertical or horizontal line that these icons have up here. What you'll have to do is search for an Inkscape extension, or search Inkscape extensions, and scroll through and have a look for an extension called Mirror. It'll download as a zip file, and you can see I've opened up that zip archive here. There are two files in there, mirror.inx and mirror.py. They need to be extracted or dragged into your Inkscape extensions file, which is at this address here, or typically is C program files, Inkscape, share, extensions. Drag them into here and restart Inkscape, and you should have that functionality, and I'll show you where that is in a minute. So I will scroll down to somewhere else, and let's create an object. Look, you can just use the Bezier pen tool and just click and create any old object. Say there, give it a fill, and that's our object. And a mirror line, the mirror line must be a line consistent of two nodes only. So again, with the Bezier pen tool, if I click here, then here, careful not to click and drag, enter when you've finished, and there's your mirror line. I might just make that a little bit more obvious under the fill and stroke menu, stroke style, and bump that up to 7.7 of a millimetre. Then you simply select all the objects, either shift click one at a time or drag a marquee around all of them, and the extension will be under extensions, but under modify path and then down to mirror, and you can see it's working and it's reflected in that line. Now I'll Control Z. Looks like, oh, here we go. Now perhaps what a lot of people would want to do is leave the original there. In that case I go Control D, perhaps then give the duplicate a different colour, then shift click the mirror line, and again extensions, modify path, mirror, and after a short time there we have the reflection. So that's a handy extension, because if I just go back to the original object, the only real reflections we've got are on a vertical axis. Control D and then click it. So I've got there, I can drag it, or drag that other way, click, Control D, and in a horizontal axis you see that sort of reflection. But being able to do it in a general line might be quite handy for some class activities. That completes this short tutorial, and thanks for watching.